Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Fabia. So if we go to music, click on music, you'll see at the bottom, hopefully you can for the glare. If I click on that, SKODA BT has already showed up. If for any reason that's not ticked like so, just click it and there's the tick appeared. This means anything that plays on here on your mobile, so long as your system is set correctly over here, the audio will come through. Whether it's a YouTube video, the audio will come through. Whether it's iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, anything, the audio will come through here. So I've turned it down on here. Now we have to go over to media. That's come up already. It's already on Bluetooth. But if it wasn't, I'll put it on auxiliary for a moment, and then we'll just go back. We'll go back to nav. So again, we click play on here. It's turned down. I go over to media. That's on auxiliary. So I go to source, click BT audio. I'll click play again because it's knocked it off. Now if I turn this up and then turn it up here, that's how you stream audio. A real good system.